Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. I am going to be doing this simple glam everyday look. This is what I do during the week. Sometimes I do put a little bit of eyeshadow, but it's rare when I do because sometimes I don't have time. But of course on the weekend I do take my time and I do put some color on my eyelid. But as for the whole week, I do this simple glam look. So if you guys want to know how I create this makeup look, go ahead and keep on watching. Okay. So I'm going to be, as you guys can see, I already started with my eyebrows because I do take a little long with my eyebrows, I know. So we're going to be doing the simple look today. I normally do it every day since sometimes I don't have time to be doing my eyeshadow. This is the look that I do most of the time during the week. Obviously on the weekend I do take my time because I don't go to work and I can be here at the house and just take my time doing my makeup. But as for the whole week, I don't have time to sit there and actually take my time. So this is what I normally do during the week. So let's get started. So I do this purple concealer, just put it like on my redness area, and I'm gonna be doing like a simple glam look because this is, like I said, this is what I do most of the time during the week since I do not have time to sometimes put eyeshadow on, so I won't look that dead. I just put like some makeup and then some little contouring, but you guys will see what I'm talking about. So this is just for the redness that I have on my face. With my Fenty Beauty foundation, dot dot dot. I know this is a little bit, but I'm gonna be adding little by little. Sorry if I'm looking sideways, I have a mirror over here. Going in with my Real Techniques brush. I love this one. Just to blend out my foundation. I know it's kind of orangey or yellow, but it does match. I'm gonna be using this setting powder with this brush. This one I just got it yesterday at Marshall's, and it's a Real Technique brushes. I got it for $5.99. I mean, it's at Real Technique. I love Real Technique brushes. Most of my brushes that I have are from Real Techniques. So I'm just gonna set everything up. Like I said, sometimes I don't even have time for concealer, so I'm just doing it as if I'm leaving, but I'm not. It's just like a fast little makeup kind of version of it. So this is what I do most of my days of the week because eyeliner, I will be using this one. It's Kiss Beauty and it's Delicate Soft Eyeliner. I'm gonna use this one. Look at the tip. So it does help me a lot. I'm gonna do just a wing liner. I'm gonna do it on my mirror because if I do it on my camera, I think I'll mess up. So as you guys can see, the eyeliner does make a difference. Look. You see, the eyeliner and lashes always make a big difference in your look. Sometimes I leave it like this. I'm walking to work like this because I don't have a lot of time. Or sometimes I just try to do everything. Even put a little bit of color or at least some glitter. But yeah, so this is without and with, so it does make a big difference. So I'll be doing my left eye off the camera, so stay tuned. Okay guys, so you see, so now I am going to be using my lashes. Let me take them out. Using these, they're not dramatic, they're so they're not too long, not too short. They're called Superfly, and I get them from this girl on Instagram, Lash Out Babes. If you guys want to go and check her out, she sells these lashes and they're really good. You don't even feel like you have any lashes on. They're so really uncomfortable. So yeah. Okay, so let's see. So I'm going to be curling my lashes. My lashes are long as it is, but sometimes I just don't like how they look just like that. So I will be putting some falsies on like I always do. I can never go out of my house without my falsies. I have to have them. This lipstick from Drama Queen, and it's, I don't know what it's called, it took off. I think it's Bonita or something, but just look at the color. Watch. I'm gonna just put it on my hand so you guys can see it, and then I'll be applying it on my lip so that way you can see. You see that? It's a nice beautiful color. Okay, so I'm gonna be okay, so I'm gonna be using this highlight color in my inner corner using this, like I said, Real Technique brushes, and it's called Square Lip Brush. It's for the lip, but I feel it like it's more, it helps me a lot to put it in my inner corner. And like always, I'm gonna go ahead and spray it with a little bit of water to give it a little bit more pigment, just to give it a little shine. You see? Oh girl, I love highlight, I love glitter. Those two are my best combinations ever. You guys see? And of course I'm gonna be finishing off this look with this NYX matte finished spray. Hey guys, so this is the final look for my simple glam look for every day that I do. I hope you guys enjoy this video. Don't forget to give it a thumbs up, subscribe, and comment down below to see what other videos you guys would like to see. And don't forget to subscribe, and I'll see you guys in my next video.